Good morning, guys. Look at this. Me and Jess, we slept in these hammocks. Oh my god, I've had such a wonderful sleep. I've been in my sleeping bag, but it's been so hot, it's been all the way zipped down. It's just nice to be covered a bit. Oh my god. And Tuten is right over there, Cykeltuten. It's just we can't sleep in there. We're gonna make issues, we don't want that. So we just ended up being here. More of a going out into nature guy, but it was interesting sleeping in the middle of Svendborg too. I knew we'd be able to sleep here no problem, without any cops trying to move us or something. This isn't exactly a homeless setup. We don't look homeless. We just look like someone who's been out drinking. Guess it's going shopping. There he goes. He's gonna get some eggs and some bacon. And we're gonna cook here on the Trangia because we can't cook in Cykeltuten right now. They're renting out bikes. It's like it's in a business mode right now. We can only cook in there in the evening when they're closing down. So we're just gonna have some egg and bacon right here. Here we go, guys. We were listening to some nice music. I don't know. Ahau. Ahau. Pretty interesting. Yeah, we're just about to cook some eggs and bacon here.
Brunch.
We only got 4 eggs.
Yeah, but I'm not having.
Oh, okay.
So depends on. Are you hiding eggs for me? Hey, hvad med dine æg derhjemme?
De er døde. De blev ikke til noget.
Lavede du omelet af dem så?
Nej, smid dem bare ud.
Nej, det er så brutalt. Ja, det er sejt. Sådan er connected til spillet. Har du hørt highlights for os? Det er sådan en brugertitter. Det er sådan band med det zoo og mega fedt. Så ringer telefonen også. Der er noget
Bacon, egg, ketchup on bread. We've been having too much fun here. Some friends of Yes joined us. Now I'm just drying these off. I just took them to the water to clean them with some sand and stones, rub it all around there. Now we're just packing up, going to one of Yes's friends who was here. I'm not sure if Casper. I'm not sure if I actually managed to record him.
Stop, Casper.
Yeah. Listening to Parcels. We left the beach. Now we're going to Yes's friend. I love the Parcels. Let's go.
Start eventyret. The adventure begins. 1, 2, 3.
We went to Yes's friend. Now we're just hanging out, listening to some music. Seems we can stay here if we want to. Let's see what happens.
Så går lige noget.
Me and Jess are gonna go set up a camp. The mood turned a little sour. Yes, he left for 2 hours, and well, Casper, he wasn't really too happy about him leaving some random guy he hadn't met before today there for 2 hours, so there was a bit of a confrontation. We got kicked out. Well, mostly yes, but me an extension. So, we're going to go find a place to set up camp. Tillykke med hugen.
Jo, tak.